This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to give magnesium sulfate. First, always verify the physician's order, ensuring the correct dose and route are clearly documented. Confirm the patient's identity using two identifiers. Gather all necessary equipment, including the medication, diluent, infusion pump, and Roman IV access supplies. Prepare your work area to maintain sterility throughout the process. Once prepared, carefully calculate the exact dose of magnesium sulfate. For intravenous administration, dilute the medication in a compatible solution, typically 100 milliliters of normal saline or 5% dextrose. Gently invert the bag to ensure thorough mixing without creating bubbles. Label the prepared solution clearly with the patient's name, medication, dose, and time. Before connecting, ensure the intravenous line is patent and free from kinks. Administer the loading dose slowly, typically over 15 to 20 minutes, using an infusion pump for precise control. Following the loading dose, initiate a continuous maintenance infusion at the prescribed rate, usually 1 to 2 grams per hour. Continuously monitor the patient for any adverse reactions or changes in their condition. During and after administration, closely monitor the patient for signs of magnesium toxicity, such as decreased respiratory rate, absent deep tendon reflexes, or hypotension. Keep an antidote, typically 10 milliliters of 10% calcium gluconate, immediately accessible. Document all observations, medication administration times, and patient responses thoroughly. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.